My ex-girlfriend said I was really good at playing with my meat. So today, I'm gonna play with the porterhouse. I'm gonna shake our dudes right on top of it. Oh, I needed that. The best advice I can give you when cooking a piece of meat like this is grabbing a thermo pen. I'll have a link in my description below. These guys hooked me up. This is the best thing I can use when I'm cooking a steak. First thing you gotta do is oil your meat real nice, both sides. And then we're gonna hit it with our Dude's steak seasoning. We're gonna go heavy on this. This is gonna take like 25, almost 30 minutes to cook. I do 6 minutes each side. I flip it twice, then I rest it on the bone. Don't forget to season the fatty part too. Everything's gonna be delicious. And this little piece in between the filet, we're gonna wipe this up over here too. So we're gonna go direct heat. Keep the filet off the coals. Like that. Now we're gonna set a timer for 6 minutes. Can't even see my screen. Dark. All right, so the first thing we're doing is making a chimichurri sauce, which is gonna be half cilantro, half parsley. So the first thing I'm gonna do is chop it up real fine and get it back in the bowl. Get yourself a sweet knife like this one from forgetotable.com. So we're gonna get this as fine as we can. Chimichurri is a very nice herb sauce. That looks good. Get it all into the bowl. The next part of this sauce is some fresh grated garlic. Is a neighbor spying on me? The drone? We're making steak. We're making steak. If you want to come and eat some steak, we're making steak. Whatever. So now the only difference between my chimichurri and a regular chimichurri is for my salt, I add Kalamata olives. Whatever. I add the red olives. Chop them up nice too. Now we're gonna take our microplane again with a lemon. The zest of one full lemon. Oh, my phone's ringing. What are you doing? Get out of here. Get out of here. You guys are crazy. They're always trying to figure out how I cook my meat. All right, that was 6 minutes. Flip it one more time, keeping that filet off the coals. So I flip it directly across. Boom. See those marks? That's what you want right there. Cover that bad boy back up. All right, let's finish the sauce up. Now all you need is just some olive oil and some fresh lemon juice. And now we're just gonna mix our sauce together like this. Then when you taste it, it should just taste very fresh. And that's exactly what it tastes like. See what our meat looks like. That's what we want right there, guys. All right, guys, that's our timer. We gotta flip this bad boy 2 more times. But the only difference is we're gonna take it off direct heat now. So we're gonna flip it this way. 6 more minutes, set a timer. That's how dudes play with meat. There you go, it's been 6 minutes again. We're gonna flip it. Woo, look at that. This is the last one, guys, and then we're done. See what it says. Oh, look at that, exactly what I want, a medium rare. The strip part needs a little bit more time. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna stand this up over here, get my filet part off the heat, and then I'm gonna cover this up for a little bit. This is gonna be one of the best steaks you've ever had in your entire life. I'll put my hands on it, I really like my hands. All right, guys, we're gonna take this off the bone now, just like this. We're gonna start with the filet. Now here's the strip on this side, guys. Look at that, guys. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to plate it nicely, okay? We're gonna take the bone, we're gonna put it on this side, okay? Now right where the filet is, see how it lines up like this? We're gonna cut it straight like this. 1, 2. How is that, good? That's stupid. Now we're gonna go strip. Kind of wish I had a bigger plate. Now we're gonna take our sauce. And now that's how a savage plays with his meat. Gourmet.com. Everybody's doing it. Jesus.
I'm gonna go strip.
I'm
that.
Oh man.
Strip in there.
Oh geez. I mean, I'm gonna go savage. I'm gonna eat this with my hands.
That's ridiculous.
Totally, right?
Absolutely fantastic. Oh man, that's good.
That's real good, right? Who'd have thought? Olives on steak, right?
I think we're gonna kill this thing.
Oh yeah. Completely forgot, man. Tasman smoked sea salt. Completely forgot about it.
This stuff is incredible. Really
Awesome.
incredible.
If you guys need any drone footage or anything,
Skyview Aerial Concepts. Look it up on the web.
want me to season you?
Go ahead, season it up.
You've been blessed by Tasman sea salt.
Beautiful.
So good, right?